Hey everyone, just wanted to give a quick recap of my blog post. We recently did a project in my own home with sensational spaces, and they create sensational spaces for people. Most of the time it's for people and children who have learning disabilities or disorders, or in my case, my son is on the autism spectrum, so we wanted to create a really cool space. And also, I really hate the clutter of lots of toys. So when you have all of these toys, it's very overstimulating, and the kids generally play with none of them. And so you think, oh, just get more toys and they will play more, but that's not the case. So what we did is we actually pared down all of our toys. So the organizing portion of the project was Mama Bear went in there. We tossed a lot of stuff. We donated a ton of stuff. We sold some stuff on Facebook Marketplace. The toys that were left, I categorized into units. And I put the units in a tote. And so we're going to pull out one unit at a time. I'm hoping to probably, I don't know, I think I will probably do a monthly rotation, just because they're at school most of the day, and then when they come home there's a little bit of playing going on. But the plan is to rotate those toys that are left monthly. But Sensational Spaces did a great job. They kind of took a look at our situation, our children, and we created a space that the kids can grow into. We incorporated fine motor skills, gross motor skills, relaxation, emotional regulation, a sensory kind of like deprivation, or a place to calm down. I'll show you a bunch of the pictures in the actual blog post, but it was a great collaboration because Me and Potatoes Organizing allowed them to have like a really nice blank slate and a plan for the stuff, and then they could come in and implement what they're so good at, which is all of these pieces that make, a sensory room complete and an amazing experience for kids that need it. But also, I love the space, and I'm gonna work down there. I mean, it's amazing. They even put a little pop-down desk for me. So anyway, you can read more about the details in the blog. This is just a quick recap, and let me know what you guys think about the collaboration with the Sensational Spaces. Let us know if this is something you need in your house. We'd be so happy to talk to you more about it and help you. So take care. Bye-bye.